Okay, let's work on some letters with more than one sound. Soft A.
Soft A.
Apple.
Apple.
Hard A. K-A, ache.
Hard A. K-A, ache.
Soft E. Egg.
Softy. Egg.
Hard E. Me.
Hard E. Me.
Soft I. Igloo.
Soft I. Igloo.
Hard I. Ite.
Hard I. Kite.
Soft O. Octopus.
Soft O. Octopus.
Hard O. Rope.
Hard O. Rope.
Soft U. Umbrella.
Soft U. Umbrella.
Hard U. Cube.
Hard U. Cube.
Y says E as in candy.
Y says E for as in candy.
Y says I as in fly.
Y says Y because of it fly.
Y says Y as in yo-yo. Y says I as in cymbal.
Symbol.
Soft C. Ice.
Soft C. Ice.
Hard C. At.
Hard C. At.
Soft G. Gem.
Soft G. Gem.
Hard G. Goat.
Hard G. Goat.
S says S for sun.
S says S for sun.
S says Z for rose.
S says Z for rose.
S says sh for tissue.
S says sh for tissue.